press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi, hello my dear students. Yes, in the previous sessions we discussed about the human body and their parts, and mainly we discussed about organ system of our human body, isn't it? Yes. Today I am going to give summary of this lesson. Okay? Yes, right. See, the human body is like a machine. Our human body is like a machine. See, our body is made up of many different parts. See, our human body, what our human body and also animals all are made up of different parts. See, in our body there are many different parts are there. Example, eyes, nose, ear and hand, leg, head, chest, backbone. See, we have many different parts are there. See, these different parts, whatever the human body is made up of tiny cells. Our human body is made up of tiny cells. See, in this picture, here is the animal cell and this one is the plant cell. See, all living organisms, what we take, if we take example plant and also animals, all are made up of tiny cell. See, cells are building blocks of all living organisms. So, plants agli, animals agli and also human beings agli. So, all are made up of tiny cells. Okay. See, ಈ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಜೋಡಣೆ ಟುಗೆದರ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಜೋಡಣೆಗಳಿಂದನೇ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಸಿ ಇನ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬಾಡಿ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ, ಇನ್ ದ plant cells also. See, when we see the structure of a cell, so when we see the structure of a cell, see this one is a what? Animal cell. See, this one is animal cell. See here, the centrally located spherical or a round shaped structure, this one yellow structure. See, this is a what? Nucleus. Centrally it's a located, and this nucleus is surrounded by what? Jelly-like structure, that it is a cytoplasm, and the cell is surrounded by thin membrane is called what? Cell membrane. So this one is the structure of animal cell, and same as well as in the plant cell also. See, plants also is made up of tiny cells. See, tiny cells in the enagide plants saita made up of the. Here is also what? Cytoplasm, and also see this one has a chloroplast, and this one plant cell have a nucleus and cell wall and the cell membrane also. About plant cell we will learn in the next class. See, today we are going to learn about the first is the animal cell. See, animal cell means it's a human being cell. Okay, see this one, tiny cells are building blocks of human body. See, we cannot see this cells in our naked eyes. We use what? Microscope to see these cells. Okay, yes, right. See, this is a cell. So, group of cell is a what? Tissue. So, group of cell is a same kind. So, normally same kind joined together to make a tissue. Tissue means what? Cells of the same kind. So, nama body nalli tumba different agiruvanta cells irutte. See, cells of the same kind joined together to make a tissue. See, these are all are tissue. So, someone is epithelial tissue. So, this one is a epithelial tissue, and skeletal tissue, and connective tissue, nervous tissues, and cardiac muscle, and also smooth muscle. See, there are many type of tissues are there. See, these tissues are made up, means joined to the cells of the same kind joined together to make a what? Tissue. And next is the organ. See, tissues joined together to make an organ. See, here is some organs picture are given. See, these organs are made up of what? Tissues. See, normally tissues join together to make an what? Organ. Okay, and then organs together to form an organ system. So, organs galella join agi enagide organ system agide. See, there are 7 organ system are there. So, that one is the circulatory system, nervous system, and respiratory system, digestive system, skeletal system, and muscular system. Another one system, that it is a reproductive system. There are many different types of system in our body. Okay, yes, right. And next, see, In the organ system, first we are going to learn about the skeleton system. See, this is the picture of, see this one picture is the skeleton system. So, this picture of skeleton system. See, our body is made up of 206 bones. See, normally our body is made up of 206 bones. See, normally adult man, see ನಮ್ಮ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ ಇರೋರಿಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ 206 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 300 bones. See, children's body is made up of 300 bones. See why? See, normally children's ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಮ್ ಬೋನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೋನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟು 206. ಸೊ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ 300 ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬೋನ್ಸ್ಗಳು, ಅದು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು 206ಗೆ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ದಿಸ್ skeleton system gives shape of our body. See, normally this skeleton system gives our shape of our body, and also the skeleton system helps to move. So it helps to move from place to place, and also main function of this skeleton system is it helps to protect our internal organs. See, for example, skull. So which one? Skull means ತಲೆಬುರುಡೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಈ ತಲೆಬುರುಡೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ helps to, it protects our brain. See, skull is protects our brain. And next part, that one is a rib cage. See, this one part is what? Rib cage. See, this rib cage is helps to protect our internal organ, that it is a lungs and heart. So ಈ rib cage ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, so this one is also part of a skeleton system. See, this rib cage is helps to protect our lungs and heart. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ನ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಬ್ ಕೇಜ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 3 ಮೇನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ skeleton system that it is. See, skeleton system is gives shape of our body, and also it helps to movement, and also it helps to protect our internal organs. Okay, see, these are all about our skeleton system. There are many different types of skeleton system in our body. So it's made up of a skull, rib cage, limbs, these all. Okay. And the femur, so the femur is the longest bone in our body. So femur andre ee kaal ತೊಡೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ, so ಈ bone na ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ, what we call this one? Femur. So this is the longest bone in our body. Okay, yes, right. Next one is the muscular system. Next one system that it is muscular system means ಮಾಂಸಖಂಡಗಳಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So normally this muscular system is also gives a shape of our body, and see this muscular system muscles are attached to our bones. ಈ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬೋನ್ಸ್, ನಾನು ಅವಾಗಲೇ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಲ್ಲ skeleton system ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೋನಿಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. See, normally there are 650 muscles in our body. How many muscles are there? 650 muscles in our body. Okay, and see this muscles is also helps for movement. So ಈ muscles ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ movement, for to move from place to place, this muscular system is helps to us. Okay, yes, right. Next one is a digestive system. It's a very important system in our body. See, this digestion is the process of changing of a food into simple form. See, when we intake food, see that food is going to digestion means is the process of changing of a food into simple form. In a digestive system, there are many organs are comes in under this digestive system. So ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಈ digestive systems ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. See, there are many organs that it is, mainly first that one is mouth. See, normally in mouth there are many parts. For example, teeth. When we intake food, teeth start to chewing. So ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, teeth. So ನಾವು ಮೌತಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಊಟ ತಗೊಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ teeth ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, it start to chewing. And after, see what happens after chewing. See, in that time of chewing, salivary glands secretes saliva. See, salivary glands, what they are doing, say secrete saliva, and this saliva is helps to makes food moist. Saliva helps to makes food moist, and then tongues it helps to swallow the food. See, after chewing, it's the tongue is helps to swallow the food, and then this food is moves to esophagus. So esophagus andre ಅನ್ನನಾಳ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು esophagus or food pipe ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. See, in the peristalsis movement, it's entered to the stomach. See, that food is chewed food is entered to our stomach. See, normally this stomach is a muscular bag. So stomach ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ muscular bag. See, this muscular bag, when the food enters to this muscular bag, means the stomach, what happens? Many digestive glands are secretes in the stomach. See, normally some digestive glands like a pepsin and HCl and mucus are secretes in our stomach. See, what happens when food enters HCl? HCl means hydrochloric acid secretes in our stomach. See, it kills disease causing microbes like germs, and also it kills the virus and bacteria. See, these are all microbes are causing many diseases. See, this HCl means hydrochloric acid or kill these disease causing microbes. And then see, the mucous membrane, see, mucus is helps to they protect from the HCl. So normally HCl and the hydrochloric acid is a very strong acid. It will be burn your skin. When we hydrochloric acid is on skin, so hydrochloric acid ಏನಾದ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬರ್ನ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೊಮಕ್ ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ? ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯೂಕಸ್ ಮೆಂಬ್ರೇನ್ ಮ್ಯೂಕಸ್ ನ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯೂಕಸ್ ಮೆಂಬ್ರೇನ್ mucus is helps to protect our stomach from the HCl. And then pepsin, see, pepsin also releases in the stomach. See, this pepsin is helps to digest protein. It's a changed protein into amino acids. And then the food, so digested food is going to enter to the small intestine. See, what happens in the small intestine? So idu enante ನಾವು small intestine ante. Yes, in the entrance of a small intestine, what happens? Undigested fat. See, some fats are not digested in our mouth, and also it's not digested in our stomach also. See, these fats are digested by the bile juice. See, normally this bile juice are secreted in liver. So liver alli bile juice ಅನ್ನೋದು secrete ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. See, normally this bile juice are secretes and it's stored in the gallbladder. Okay, see, this bile juice are helps to digest fat. Okay, and after digestion, see, the small intestine start to absorb nutrition. So naven carbohydrates and then protein, vitamin ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, so ಆ ಫುಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇಂಟೆಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, see, in this part are absorbing nutrition. See, this intestine means which one? Small intestine is helps to absorbing nutrition. See, after observation, that food is entered to the large intestine. So ಎಲ್ಲಿ enter ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ large intestine. See, this one is what? Large intestine. See, when it enters to the large intestine, what happens? Water is absorbed by this large intestine. So water large intestine ಅಲ್ಲಿ absorb ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. After totally absorption is finished, then the undigested food are stored in this rectum. Means feces are stored in this rectum. See, that one is collected in rectum. After it will be output through the anus. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? anus ಇಂದ output ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. See, these are all many organs are helps to digest our food. So that one is the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver, rectum and anus. See, these are all are joined together and it helps for digestion food. Okay, yes, right. Next one system that it is respiratory system. See, normally in respiratory system means breathing. See, we are all going to breathe. See, when we intake air through the nose or a nostrils, what happens? It passes into the windpipe. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? wind pipe ಗೆ enter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. wind pipe to it enters to our lungs. When we inhale what? Oxygen. When we inhale oxygen, it enters to the windpipe and then it's entered to the our lungs. See, what happens? Here is exchanging is going in the lungs. See, these two parts. So ಈ ಎರಡು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? lungs ಇದೆ. There are two lungs are there. Okay. See, in this lungs normally carbon dioxide and oxygen is exchanging. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ oxygen carbon dioxide exchange ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. After exchanging, carbon dioxide come out through the nostrils only. So carbon dioxide exchange ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಸ್ಟ್ರಿಲ್, ಸೊ ವಿಂಡ್ ಪೈಪ್ ಇಂದ ನಾಸ್ಟ್ರಿಲ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೆಸ್ಪಿರೇಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ process of reproduction through the respiration, what happens, we inhale what, oxygen, and exhale what, carbon dioxide. Okay, see, this is about respiratory system. Next one is a circulatory system. Yes, normally in circulatory system, the heart, the blood and blood vessels make up the circulatory system. So nama circulatory system, there are many parts are there, that it is a heart, ಹೃದಯ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಹಾರ್ಟ್, ಬ್ಲಡ್, ರಕ್ತ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ವೆಸಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ರಕ್ತನಾಳಗಳಿಂದ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ವಾಟ್, ಬ್ಲಡ್. ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ದಿ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪಂಪ್ಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಲಡ್. ಸೊ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಬ್ಲಡ್ನ ಪಂಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ನರವ್ಯೂಹ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕತ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಬ್ರೈನ್, ಸ್ಪೈನಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನರ್ವ್ಸ್. ಸಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಏನು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಆರ್ಗನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕೆಲಿಟನ್, ಮಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಿರೇಟರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟರಿ. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ವರ್ಕ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಇನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನರ್ವಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ನ ವರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ನಾವೀಗ ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ಸೊ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ವರ್ಕ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ ಇನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್, ಫಾರ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್, ಫಾರ್ ಬ್ರೀತಿಂಗ್, ಟು ಡೂ ಆಲ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟಚ್ ಎನಿ ಹಾಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಆ ಹಾಟ್ ಕಾಫಿನ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಕಾಫಿ ಕಪ್ನ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆ, ಸಿ ಅದು ಬಿಸಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಬಿಸಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಯಾರು, ನಮ್ಮ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ನ ಬ್ರೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ದ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೈನ್, ಸ್ಪೈನಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನರ್ವಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ದೇರ್ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಆರ್ ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಹೇಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗೇನೆ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ನ ನರ್ವ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ಬಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. See, this excretory system helps to remove waste material from our body. See, normally in our excretory system consists two bean-shaped organ, that it is a kidneys. As see, you just observe the picture here. Kidneys, see, there are two kidneys are there. How many kidneys we have? We have two kidneys. See, these kidneys are bean-shaped. So, ಈ ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಯಾವ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬೀನ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ದೀಸ್ ಕಿಡ್ನೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್ waste materials. And see, our skin is also one of the excretory system. So one of the ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ವೆಟ್, ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ವೆಟ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ವಾಟ್, ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸ್ವೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ excretory system. And next one system that it is a reproductive system. See, normally you know human being are going have a certain life period. So human beings ge enirutte, they have what, certain life period. If they not go the undergo the production of a process of reproduction, what happens, see that species will be extinct. So that's why reproduction is very important to human beings. Normally human beings are giving birth to babies. Human beings are going to give birth to babies. See, these are all about reproductive system. Yes, dear students, today we discussed about human organ system. See, humans have 8 organ system, that it is a skeleton system, muscular system, reproductive system, excretory system, circulatory system, next nervous system and respiration system. There are 8 organ system in our body. Okay, yes, thank you my dear students.